When most people think of London's parks, Hyde Park and Regent's Park are often the first to come to mind. These sprawling green expanses are iconic, yes, but beyond their borders, a world of quieter, more intimate green spaces awaits, each offering a glimpse of London that few tourists ever see. These hidden gems are where Londoners come to breathe, unwind, and reconnect with nature, far from the throngs of tourists. These spaces capture the soul of the city, revealing a London that thrives in its peaceful corners. One such place is Hampstead Heath, a beloved refuge for locals. Covering over 790 acres, Hampstead Heath is wild, untamed, and offers one of the best views of the city from Parliament Hill. Unlike the manicured lawns of London's more famous parks, Hampstead Heath feels raw and natural, with sprawling woodlands, meadows, and ponds perfect for wild swimming. On a sunny day, you'll find Londoners basking in the grassy fields, taking in the breathtaking skyline of London in the distance. It's this combination of rural charm and city views that makes Hampstead Heath a hidden treasure. Explore the nearby Hill Garden and Pergola, a crumbling yet romantic structure draped in wisteria and roses, where time seems to stand still. A little closer to the city centre lies Holland Park, a smaller, lesser-known park that boasts a hidden gem within its leafy grounds, the Kyoto Garden. This Japanese-inspired oasis, with its koi-filled ponds, waterfalls, and immaculately pruned trees, is a serene escape that feels a world away from the city's hustle and bustle. Visitors can wander through this tranquil space, listening to the gentle sound of water trickling over stones, while peacocks roam the grounds. The Kyoto Garden offers a space for quiet reflection, a spot of peace amid the energy of London. Another green space worth exploring is Richmond Park, one of London's largest parks, known for its wild deer population and expansive views of the Thames Valley. While many visit Richmond Park for a glimpse of its famous deer, fewer people know about the Isabella Plantation, a hidden woodland garden within the park. Famous for its vibrant azaleas, rhododendrons, and camellias, the Isabella Plantation bursts into colour each spring, transforming the woodland into a rainbow of blossoms. Winding paths lead visitors through towering trees and quiet ponds, offering a peaceful retreat that feels miles away from city life. The plantation's history dates back to the 1830s, when it was first developed as a woodland garden, and today it remains a cherished secret among those in the know. Throughout London, there are also hidden communal gardens that open their gates to the public only on special occasions, such as during Open Garden Square's weekend. Tucked behind stately homes and row houses, these secret gardens are typically closed to the public but offer a glimpse into the private green spaces that lie just beyond London's busiest streets. From the manicured lawns of the garden squares in Notting Hill to the lush, hidden enclaves in Chelsea, these gardens provide an intimate experience of London's horticultural history and a quiet refuge from the urban jungle. Some of these gardens are centuries old, having been passed down through generations of wealthy families, while others are newer community spaces, cultivated by local residents. These green spaces are more than just places to relax. They are a vital part of London's identity. In a city known for its history and its pace, these hidden parks offer a slower, more contemplative side of London, where nature, history, and beauty come together. From the wild expanse of Hampstead Heath to the tranquil elegance of the Kyoto Garden, London's lesser-known green spaces provide a sanctuary for both locals and visitors alike, offering a chance to experience the city in a more personal, intimate way. Here, In these hidden corners of the city, the true spirit of London comes alive.